Holy moly, it looks like a bomb just exploded in here. I've got 2 days left in Maui and I've got to do something to get all of my tools restored in here, and here's what I'm going to do. See this bad boy right there? It's a cabinet. See? It's a full height cabinet, 6 feet tall, 2 feet wide, and about 18 inches deep. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it right here in this closet. Here's a closet on this side of the closet. There's no need for all this room. I mean, the guests, you know, they only need half of a closet. They only need this much when they're staying here. And incidentally, you want to rent my place out in Maui, in Lahaina, let me know. Maybe I can help you out. But see, I'm going to take this shelf out of here, right up here. I'm going to actually cut it back, and then I'm going to use the end piece and attach it right in here next to the cabinet, because this cabinet is 6 feet tall. It's going to go up to about here, and it's going to go all the way down. Okay, and it's only 18 inches deep, and I've got 2 cabinets, and one of them I was going to put in the other bedroom, and I don't know if I'm going to have time to do that. If not, I'm going to take it and I'm going to scoot it right up in here, right in front of the other cabinet. Okay, I've got a padlock for it and everything, and that's going to be like a little mini owner's closet for storage, and I can put some of my tools in there, because while I was here I got a carpet cleaner and I've got to put that in there. I've got my golf clubs here, and I've got all this other stuff. Now granted, I did have some other cabinets, and I put some cabinets right here with some adjustable shelves in there and stuff last time, a few years ago actually. Okay, and I cut in some extra shelves and stuff, and I've got lots of my stuff I can fit in there. Okay, but I've got these other cabinets too, and see, in the end, if you're looking for storage or something, think about an armoire. See this armoire here? I went ahead. This used to be like a little pantry for food. I put in some extra shelves because it only had that bottom shelf, and then it was open for clothes and stuff like that. I put those shelves in there, and now I've got all my clothing and stuff in there, and then I put my tools down in there. So I've got more storage there that I've got too. Okay, so just a few ideas for you if you want to get some more lockable storage. Okay, so the hardest thing about these is getting them home. They are super heavy, but hey, I'm just going to read the directions step by step. I'm going to put that together, and I'm going to take that shelf down over there, and I'll show you all that. If you want to keep watching my videos, I'll show you that coming up. Hey, well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.